Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to see deleted messages on Messenger. So let's head over to our Messenger application first. So once you are there, as you know, if we just head over to any conversation and delete one of our messages or the messages they have sent from the other side and they have deleted, we can't see them usually. So there's a way you can try to use to see the deleted message, and that is not in the messenger, that is in your Facebook application. So you have to head over to your Facebook and head over to the three lights icon on the top right. Now go to the gear icon on the top right, and in here just go to your account center. Now scroll down and go to your information and permissions in account settings section. And here you'll find the option of export your information or download your information. So from here, you can just access your information like your necessary likes, comments, your messages, deleted texts, and everything. So yeah, this is you have to just go to export your information, and then you just have to download your information from here. So tap on create export and then follow the desired prompts, and you'll just get all of your chat history in here as a exe file. We have to unzip it and you will find all of your necessary informations in there. Hope this video will help you out. If you got any questions regarding this, make sure to comment down below. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss any of our videos.